Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Maserati Ghibli battery. First, gather all necessary tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and eyewear. Ensure your vehicle is completely off and parked on a stable, level surface before beginning any work. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now, let's locate the battery. In most Maserati Ghibli models, you will find it securely placed in the trunk. Gently lift the trunk floor panel to expose the battery compartment. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. Once loose, remove the negative cable, making absolutely sure it does not accidentally contact any metal surfaces to prevent sparks. With the negative cable safely out of the way, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal using your 10mm wrench. Next, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the old battery in its tray. Be mindful that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift it out carefully. Now, gently place your new battery into the compartment, ensuring it is correctly oriented. To reconnect, always attach the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly with your wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring a snug and secure fit. For added protection and to prevent corrosion, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Finally, start your Maserati Ghibli's engine to confirm that the new battery is working perfectly and your vehicle is ready to go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.